And services last time? Just did a price on the flow tech, right?
An estimate, yes. First one we had service done, we asked what the
I'll see if I can get the beads today. If I can't, I'm gonna probably have to order the media beads. Without the flow tech, always check these beads.
Yeah.
Okay, once they become gray like this, then it's time to replace the media beads. While we're doing the descale, I'll check to see if I can get the media beads. Those on tight, they just need to be hand tight. This one on to open up the valve. Okay, and slowly open this.
About halfway or above the pump.